Hello students. In 10th topic magnetic field due to an electric current. Now we are going to discuss about helical motion of a charged particle. See this diagram in which a charged particle in magnetic field performs helical motion. We know that a charged particle performs circular motion in a plane perpendicular to the magnetic field, applied magnetic field. If the component of velocity of charged particle parallel to the direction of applied magnetic field, direction of applied magnetic field, the force on the charge becomes zero, such that the formula magnetic force exerted on charged particle Q when placed in external magnetic field B is equal to the cross product of the component of velocity which is parallel with the applied magnetic field and the magnetic field vector B. This is cross product of two vector quantities. So in magnitude form we can write product of magnitude of two vectors into sine of angle between these two vectors. So we can write VB sine theta. Since this component of velocity is parallel with this magnetic field B, so the angle between these two vectors becomes 0. Therefore sine 0, and sine 0 is always equal to 0. Therefore the force exerted on charge Q becomes 0. And thus there is no force exerted on the charged particle placed in magnetic field due to the component of velocity which is parallel with the direction of magnetic field, applied magnetic field. So the charge moves along the direction of magnetic field. Thus we know that the particle or the charged particle performs circular motion when performs circular motion in a plane perpendicular to the applied field. So the charged particle performs circular motion. And because of the component which is parallel with the applied magnetic field, the charged particle performs motion along the direction of magnetic field, parallel to the direction of magnetic field. Thus the charged particle performs circular motion as well as the motion parallel to the direction of magnetic field. As a result that This particle performs circular motion and the motion along the direction of applied magnetic field. So, the charged particle performs such a motion which is called as helical motion. Thus, a charged particle performs helical motion when it is placed in external magnetic field B. Okay.